Singapore. The future and the past living side by side, and you're about to experience every layer of it on your own terms. Expensive guided tours that rush you from Merlion to Marina Bay in 90 minutes flat, and miss everything in between. Uvamai's Singapore self-guided audio tour gives you 21 of the city's most iconic landmarks, from the super trees of gardens by the bay to the ancient streets of Chinatown, with expert audio narration that reveals the histories, cultures, and stories that plaques never tell you. For just $6, you receive your private access link, professional audio guides, and an interactive map, delivered straight to you. No group, no schedule. Singapore at your pace, for as many days as you want. Stand beneath the towering super trees and finally understand what Singapore City in a garden vision really means. Step inside the cloud forest and feel a tropical highland rise around you. Walk the Helix Bridge and hear how this DNA-inspired marvel was engineered. Explore the Merlion waterfront at sunrise before the crowds arrive. Wander through Little India and Chinatown and feel 200 years of migration, survival, and culture in every street. Discover the Peranakan Museum and its world of intricate heritage. 21 stops. Your Singapore. Your story. Uvamai's Singapore tour is a best traveler's choice, ranked in the top experiences worldwide. Real travelers. Real stories. Real discovery. $6. 21 Singapore landmarks. Your pace. Your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.